Okay. Hi, Alo. What are we gonna do today?
We will see how we'll mix vinegar and soda.
Oh, so we are gonna see what is gonna happen if we mix vinegar and soda. What do you think will happen if you mix vinegar and soda?
Gas.
Exactly. The gas will come out, and that is going to blow up our
Balloon.
So let's try it out. So now, first I'm gonna put vinegar in this. Okay?
Yeah.
So wait. Okay. Let me try it out.
Ooh, I think it's so hot.
No, you're right. See, all the acids are hot actually. You should not play around with it. But this is okay. And you should always do an experiment with an adult. Correct? Yes? Yes, Sarah? Okay. Now, see, this is the vinegar. You smell that? You're getting that odd smell? Smell it? See, this is the smell of the vinegar. Yeah. Now, don't touch this, okay? Be very careful. And now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take a funnel. Yeah, see, I'm gonna take a funnel, okay? And then I'm gonna pour in soda into it.
Yes.
Okay. So now this balloon has soda in it.
No, it's not. It
Wait.
looks.
See, it's gone inside. See, it's going inside. Okay.
Wow!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That was so cool.
Okay, I think it has enough soda. Now what I'm gonna do is,
What?
let me put a little more.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now what we are gonna do is, we are gonna attach this on top of the bottle so that you can.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, let me take this out. Be very careful.
Now it's
I'm gonna. Oh yeah, finally I did it. Now, Arav, it is the final time where you have to lift it up and keep it straight. So all the baking soda which is here will go inside and mix with the vinegar. And what is gonna happen? The gas is gonna come out. And you know what that gas is? That's called carbon dioxide. What is it called?
carbon dioxide.
Yeah, so that gas is gonna fill up the balloon. Let's try. Leave it. Oh, you see this? It's blowing up. See, Adam, stay away. Stay away. Stay away, stay away, stay away. Good job.
Yeah.
Oopsie. Adam, stay away. Stay away.
I can see it.
Yeah, see, it filled up so much. See? Yeah, we will try it again. But for now, say bye.
Bye.
Subscribe.
And subscribe.
See you.
And do this.
Hey. Bye. Bye, everyone.